Hello, this is Lawrence. I'm back again with another Docker video. Today I'm going to be doing Docker Compose. So Docker Compose, as we read the definition, is a tool for defining and running multi-container applications. So that means we will have to create a Docker file. And then we have to name that Docker file docker-compose.yaml. And in that file, we can build things like database servers, web servers, etc. But today I'm going to build a Nginx server. So what I'm going to do is create my folder, name that test, and I'm going to create the file under the test folder, docker compose.yaml. And now I need to put the environmental variables under there. So I'm going to start with version, and we're going to do version 3, and we're going to do services, and under there we're going to websites next. And for our image, we'll be using again Nginx. Ports. This is already a few images already created. I'm gonna create a different port. So I'm gonna do this as port 80, 87:80. Next, I'm gonna do restart, and we're gonna set restart to always. Now I'm gonna build a network, and you can name network whatever you want to. I'm gonna name that new net one. Give a simple name. Now I'll put the IPv4. Now you're going to use this if you do an IP config on your, or if you're using Windows like I am, you do IP config. You get your IP address and you will give it a random IP address. If you're using Linux, you'll do a IP space ADDR, and you can get the IP address and you can assign a random IP address that way. I'm gonna do a IPv4. Let's go address. I'm gonna do 192.168.56.25. And I need to create the subnet mask. I'm gonna create the default driver. Get going. Put the name of the network again. IPAM. Driver. And I'm gonna set that to default. Config. And I'm gonna set the subnet. Put your site address there. So let me go ahead and maximize this. I'm going to save the file. Make sure. Okay. Let's get it to the test. Make sure. So we're going to run command docker dash compose dash d up. I'm sorry, wrong flag. Do it again. Up dash d. All right. We have built that container. So let's go to the website. I'll type in localhost. 8087. And we got an Nginx server. Now what I'm gonna do is take a look at let's take a look at the container. So we're gonna do clear it out. Do a Docker dash compose yes, and now you see we have our Docker container here. Let's see if we can access it. Docker exec IT dash website -1 sh. All right, we are on our Docker container. All right, we'll exit out. Also, let's take a look at the network the Docker exec commands, how you will access your containers in Docker. Let's take a look at the network. Do Docker network ls. All right. And just take a look at here the new network that I built, that was created. And to tear everything down, you do a Docker dash compose down. And that will tear everything down for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or anything like that, by all means, let me know. I'll be posting this on LinkedIn and YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again. Have a great day. Thank you.